What's up, my Soul Squad? How you guys doing today? It's Tuesday, and on the menu is what I cooked on Sunday for dinner. You saw the thumbnail. It's stovetop lasagna, you guys. Stovetop lasagna, a one-pot dish. You could do it in a big, deep skillet. You could do it in a pan. I'm doing it in my Dutch oven pot right here. I love this pot for everything when it comes to big, deep dishes. Yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to tell you guys everything that you will need. Yeah, I'm videotaping myself here, guys. So, first of all, you can use whatever type of meat you want. You can use ground beef, you can use turkey, you can use ground beef with pork, Italian sausages, whatever. I'm using turkey meat, turkey sausages, ricotta cheese, provolone cheese, mozzarella, mild cheddar, and of course for your seasons I got onion powder, pepper, seasoned salt, parsley, and things like that. You need crushed tomatoes, and you need some seasoning. I have a meat season here and some sauce, whatever favorite sauce you like. I got a cheese sauce here and a meat sauce here. So whatever sauces that you like, and if you like oregano and basil and Italian season, you could do all that. I'm pretty much doing this how I pretty much do my lasagna. Oh yeah, some chicken broth, and you're gonna need some water and the no bake. What's this? The oven ready lasagnas. You're gonna need these ones. They're the best when it comes to stove top. Okay? So let's get started. I'm gonna put you over here. You're gonna see the stove. You're not gonna see me. Let's see. I'm going in with my sausages. Okay, I'm going in with my sausages. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. Okay. Might say, whoa. Got my sausages on the stove. Look, you know what? This is about to be a little hands-on video because I'm doing this video myself. I place my sausages in my pan. I'm cooking these on a medium heat. I'm just starting this bowl. Oh! 3-pointer, maybe sink. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna let my sausages cook till they get to a nice brown, and then when I come back, I'm gonna throw in. This is like over 3 pounds of butterball turkey meat. Just because I'm making this big old pot, and then while that's cooking, I'm gonna go open up all my cans and get everything set up. But yeah, this is cooking. It's cooking there. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the pan. Okay, I want to start cooking. A little olive oil in the pan, girl. I'm going to let y'all see inside the pan in a minute. So, for the foremost, this is all you're going to get of me until the end. So, I'm just from this point on, this is going to be a hand video. So I can be able to show you guys what's going on inside the pot. And then I'll bring my old stuff back at the end. So like, share, subscribe, and thumbs up. Give this about 10,000, guys. I know you guys can do it. I know you have it in you. 10,000 thumbs up. 10,000 likes. You can't dislike this video. This is a quick, easy recipe. One pot. It's summertime, it's hot. You want one pot. Pour it all in there, let it cook for 20 to 30 minutes, and bam, stovetop lasagna. And this is frying up really, really well. And we'll be right back. I'm going to show you what's in this pot when I come back, and we're going to throw in our meat. But while I'm gone, I'm about to open up all my cans. Okay, Soul Squad, I'm back. Remember, I said this is going to be all hands on. So, I added in my turkey meat, which I had 3 pounds of butterball turkey, along with my turkey sausages. I added in a teaspoon of garlic, minced garlic. And guys, remember, and I forgot to tell you this, I'm not using onions, but if you like onions, before you do your turkey and your turkey meat and your turkey sausages, you can put in your oil and add your onions, your diced onions, and your minced garlic. And once you let that get translucent and get nice and soft, you can add in all your meat and let it cook. So this is my my turkey sausage cooking along with my turkey meat. I'm gonna stir this up, and when this get finished cooking, you guys, I'm gonna drain it and come back, and we're gonna add in all these pastas. Like all these all the pastas and stuff, all the sauces and everything. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I am back. I drained all the grease off of this. This is what you guys need to do. It came out perfect. It came out perfect. It came out perfect. So what I'm about to do right now, I can figure out how to hold this thing correctly. You guys can see, I'm going in with my seasoning. I should have had it open. Okay, this is kind of hard. I'm going in with some black pepper. Because I tell you guys, I always like pepper, right? You guys get a shadow. This is going to be my garlic powder. Worst video I ever put up, I think, because I can't get it right. I got some what's it called, parsley flakes. Hey Jackson, come here for a minute, please. Guys, I gotta get Jackson assistance real quick. It's not gonna work. It's not gonna work with me doing it. I need just to have a steady hand. Please, Jack. And just hold this over the pot for me, please.
Yes, mommy.
Just like that. Thank you. Okay. So we left off. I need onion powder. Remember, guys, this is all about taste. So once you do everything, and if you have some oregano, add that. I didn't have any. I usually add oregano about maybe, depends on how big you're making it.
That looks so good.
This is all meat. Okay, so I'm going in with my crushed tomatoes.
Ew.
Yes, my crushed tomatoes. He said, ooh. And I'm going in with my 4 cheese.
Who's a 4 cheese?
4 cheese sauce. My 4 cheese sauce. And
add
hold
a
that.
into it already?
And wash my hands real quick. And I need to give me some water.
A nice cold water.
No, not for me to drink. That's what that. Give it a nice cold water. So I'm going to mix it, you guys. So I'm getting a half a cup of water, you guys. And I'm adding a half a cup of chicken broth to my water to make this 1 cup. I use chicken broth because you wanted to give it so much flavor. And I thought I was going to need 2 cans of tomato paste. I don't think so. It's up to you guys how many cans of tomato paste that you would like to use, how tomato paste you like it. And I think that's all I want. I don't need no more. Remember, at the end, you can season it, make it your own and all that good old stuff. Let me turn my stove on. Medium heat. Now, I have the oven ready lasagnas. I want to chop them up in here. And there's no method to it. You can do it however you want. There's no certain way. It's not that many. How much lasagna you like in your food? So,
whole lot.
ooh.
Ooh.
So I'm just like breaking them up. I should have pre-broken. I popped you.
It's not soft.
No, they not soft. This is, I'm popping everywhere. I got 2 packs, so, and I'm making a lot. We on down some. Right there. Y'all hear me popping my lasagna. How many sheets you want? I'm gonna stir this up in here. Yep. This is the oven bake, you guys. Yeah. I'm even breaking them up. Michael said, oh, that look like chili.
Oh. It kind of do.
It kind of do. Okay. I know I'm most definitely going to use 1 whole pack. And you can make them as small as you want, as large as you want. Just get them up in there. This is a 1 pack. 1 pack. And no, we ain't going for the cheese yet. We ain't going for the cheese yet. I'm going to let these get soft before I go for my cheese.
I'll stir it up.
Yeah. I'm thinking maybe I want some more. I need some more. Before I decide. Yeah, I got a lot of sauce. I want a lot of lasagna noodles. So, guys, what I want to do, I'm going to do my other pack. Maybe the half a pack of these. Place them in there. Put the top on. Let them simmer. Let them cook for about 10 minutes. And come and check on, stir them up. And then another 10 minutes. But, this is how you do it. I'm going to add my other pack in here. I'll put the top on them. And we'll be right back when they're nice and tender. Okay, guys, we're back. It's been about 10 minutes. Ooh. I'm going to say I went about maybe 12. One thing you want to do is you want to stir it up so that your noodles won't really stick. Now, what I did is I added a can of tomato paste, a little small can of tomato paste. I added in 2 tablespoons of sugar and a little bit more of my seasoning. See, it's almost ready, but it's not quite there. Guys,
add the cheese into it first.
I ain't do the cheese yet. We're going to get to the cheese. I want my noodles to cook. Guys, look at it. I'm just stirring my tomato paste up in here. And my noodles, look at the noodles. Jackson, hold still. Look at the noodles, almost done. Almost done. I'm going to place my top. No, the noodles, I want my noodles to be right. They're nice and soft. They're stirred up inside. And you don't want it to, and you want to stir it up because you don't want it to stick. And you always want to put your hamburger in first because you don't want your noodles to stick to the bottom of the pan. So this is doing what it need to do. I'm thinking maybe I need 3 boxes of noodles. I'm not sure. But guess what? I didn't got any when I went to the store. So I was like, I know I got some no-bake noodles. But I used what I had, and this is looking so amazing. I'm going to give this another 10 minutes, guys, with the top on, to soften those noodles up, and we're going to come back with all the cheeses and work this video out. We'll be back, Soul Squad. Soul Squad, my noodles are done. They took exactly about maybe 20 minutes to cook with everything that was in here. So right now, I placed in 1 cup of what I use, mild cheddar cheese, and 2 cups of mozzarella cheese, and that's in here right now. And I'm about to stir this up. I guess I don't know how. I need somebody to hold the camera while I stir it up. I gotta find somebody. This is so crazy. It's Sunday. Everybody is chilling and waiting on this meal. But guess what? I need some help right now. One moment. I'm stirring up my cheese, and remember, guys, you can use as much cheese
as you want.
Look at Jackson. As you want.
There you go. Oh my gosh. I love you.
This is just a quick stove top
lasagna.
1 pot lasagna. And that's it. That's all. I put my cheese in first because when I do my ricotta, I don't want to stir the cheese up. I just want it to like sit there. Wait a minute, watch this. I'm going in with just scoops of ricotta. You don't have to use a lot. I'm gonna put some right there.
Put some right there.
Some right there.
Put some over there.
This is a big pan, so I'm gonna do 4 big spoons full. Look, a half a spatula. And I'm not gonna use my spatula because what I want to do, I just want it. I don't want to stir. I just want to fold it. I want to fold it in.
Fold it in.
I just want to fold it in. I don't want to stir. I just want to fold it in. That's my ricotta. I don't want to break it up. I just want to fold it in. The noodles came out perfect. And that's just how I'm going to leave it. And watch this.
It's ready.
No, it's not ready. I'm going to take some Parmesan. Look at this. Provolone. Boom. Boom. Just in a circle. This is a 1 stop, you guys. Right in there. I'm going to place my pot on here. About for 6 minutes. And we're going to be back with the end result. Okay, so squad, there you go. My stovetop lasagna. Get over top, Jackson. Come up high. Just going to tackle that. Look, I'm going to tackle that. What the heck is that? I'm just going to go. Because this will, I like color. Sprinkle a little bit of parsley on top.
Nice parsley.
And there it is. Woo! This is my version of stovetop lasagna, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Come over to the my SoulfulT mukbang channel, guys, and watch somebody eat it in the family. I don't know who. Somebody will be there. And like I said, and thanks to everyone who's been buying my book. I love you guys. I am out. I hope you really enjoyed this video. Everyone, like, share, and subscribe. Let's get this video to 10,000 likes, Soul Squad. I know you could do it. Yes, I am out. Yeah, I want to thank everybody who's been supporting my channel, been watching my channel, and everything. What else I want to say? I'm tired. Okay, until next time, I am out, guys. Like, share.